Hello, and welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today, we're on a mission to explore some of the latest useful developer tools that are making a significant impact in the tech community. These projects are not just trending, they're transforming the way developers and designers work, offering innovative solutions and features that can elevate your projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned developer, an aspiring designer, or just someone who loves to stay updated with the latest in tech, this video has something valuable for you. So, let's dive in and discover these incredible tools together. Talldraw, a canvas for the web. In the realm of digital design, the tools we use play a pivotal role in shaping our creative outcomes. Enter Talldraw, a groundbreaking open-source project that's redefining the way we interact with digital canvases. At its core, Talldraw is more than just a drawing tool. It's a canvas designed for the modern web. With its intuitive interface and robust features, it offers a seamless experience for both novice and seasoned designers. Whether you're sketching out a quick idea or working on a detailed project, Talldraw provides the flexibility and tools to bring your vision to life. One of the standout features of Talldraw is its real-time collaboration capabilities. Imagine working on a design and getting instant feedback from your team, all in real time. This not only streamlines the design process, but also fosters a collaborative environment where ideas can flourish. But that's not all. Talldraw is built with extensibility in mind. With its plug-in architecture, developers can easily extend its capabilities, adding new tools and features tailored to specific needs. This open-ended approach ensures that Talldraw remains adaptable and relevant in the ever-evolving design landscape. Moreover, the project's active community is a testament to its growing popularity. With regular updates, contributions, and discussions, Talldraw is continuously evolving, adapting to the needs of its users and setting new standards in digital design. In conclusion, Talldraw is not just a tool. It's a movement that champions open source, collaboration, and innovation. So, if you're a designer looking for a canvas that's tailored for the web, Talldraw is the answer. Elysia, the future of web development. In the ever-evolving world of web development, staying updated with the latest tools and technologies is crucial. And when it comes to modern web frameworks, Elysia stands out as a game changer. Elysia is an open-source web framework that promises to revolutionize the way developers build and deploy web applications. At its heart, Elysia focuses on performance, scalability, and developer experience, ensuring that building web apps is not only efficient, but also enjoyable. One of the defining features of Elysia is its modular architecture. This means developers can pick and choose the components they need, ensuring a lightweight and optimized final product. No more bloated code or unnecessary dependencies. With Elysia, you get a clean, efficient, and scalable codebase. But what truly sets Elysia apart is its commitment to the developer community. The framework is built with feedback from real-world developers, ensuring that it addresses the challenges and pain points faced in everyday development. This community-driven approach ensures that Elysia remains relevant, adaptive, and in tune with the needs of its users. Furthermore, Elysia boasts a rich ecosystem of plugins, extensions, and integrations. Whether you're integrating with a third-party service or adding a custom feature, Elysia's extensible architecture makes it a breeze. In a nutshell, Elysia is more than just a web framework. It's a vision for the future of web development. A vision where performance, scalability, and developer experience take center stage. So if you're a web developer looking to elevate your projects and streamline your workflow, Elysia is the way to go. Swiper, the ultimate carousel. Experience. In the digital age, the way we present content can make or break user engagement. Whether it's a product showcase, a photo gallery, or a news slider, the presentation matters. Enter Swiper, the ultimate solution for creating dynamic and interactive carousels for the web. Swiper stands out in the crowded space of carousel libraries, and there's a reason for its immense popularity. It's not just a carousel, it's a comprehensive solution designed with both developers and end users in mind. One of the first things you'll notice about Swiper is its fluidity. The transitions are smooth, the animations are crisp, and the overall experience is seamless. This is achieved through a combination of optimized code and GPU acceleration, ensuring that Swiper runs smoothly even on devices with limited resources. But the magic of Swiper doesn't stop at its performance. It's incredibly versatile. Whether you're building a simple image slider or a complex product showcase with nested carousels, Swiper has got you covered. Its modular architecture allows developers to include only the features they need, ensuring a lightweight and efficient implementation. For developers, Swiper offers a plethora of customization options. From pagination styles and scroll bar customizations to virtual slides and lazy loading, the possibilities are endless. And with its extensive API, integrating Swiper into any project becomes a breeze. Another standout feature of Swiper is its responsiveness. In today's multi-device world, ensuring that content looks and functions perfectly across all devices is crucial. Swiper's responsive breakpoints and adaptive layouts ensure that your carousels look stunning, whether viewed on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. The community around Swiper is vibrant and active. With regular updates, a plethora of plugins, and extensive documentation, developers have all the resources they need to make the most of Swiper. The project's GitHub repository is bustling with activity, showcasing its popularity and trust within the developer community. In essence, Swiper is not just a carousel library. It's a testament to what's possible when performance, versatility, and user experience come together. If you're looking to elevate your web content and engage your users like never before, Swiper is the answer. Tabby, revolutionizing code with AI. In the modern era of coding, efficiency and automation are paramount. As developers, we're always on the lookout for tools that can streamline our workflow and enhance our coding capabilities. This is where Tabby comes into play, offering a glimpse into the future of coding with AI. Tabby is not just another coding tool, it's an AI-powered coding assistant designed to revolutionize the way developers write and optimize code. Think of it as your personal coding companion, always ready to assist, suggest, and streamline. One of the standout features of Tabby is its self-hosted nature. Unlike other AI coding assistants that rely on cloud services, Tabby offers a self-contained solution, ensuring privacy, security, and optimal performance. This means developers can harness the power of AI without compromising on data privacy or incurring additional cloud costs. But the magic of Tabby doesn't end there. With its open API interface, Tabby seamlessly integrates with existing infrastructures, be it cloud IDEs or local development environments. This ensures a smooth and consistent coding experience, regardless of the platform or tools you're using. For those concerned about performance, Tabby has got you covered. With support for consumer-grade GPUs, Tabby ensures efficient and rapid code suggestions, even for complex projects. This GPU acceleration, combined with Tabby's advanced AI algorithms, ensures that code suggestions are not only accurate, but also contextually relevant. The community around Tabby is vibrant and growing. With regular updates, contributions from developers worldwide, and an active discussion forum, Tabby is continuously evolving to meet the needs of the modern developer. Whether it's a new feature, an optimization, or a bug fix, the Tabby community is always at the forefront, ensuring that the tool remains cutting edge. In conclusion, Tabby is more than just a coding assistant. It's a vision for the future of coding. A future where AI and human intelligence come together to create, optimize, and revolutionize code. If you're a developer looking to stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI in your coding journey, Tabby is the way to go. Icons, the ultimate icon library for modern web development. In the visually driven digital landscape, icons play a pivotal role in enhancing user experience, guiding navigation, and adding aesthetic appeal to web applications. As developers and designers, we're always in search of the perfect icon set that aligns with our project's theme and resonates with our audience. Enter Icons, a comprehensive icon library that's transforming the way we integrate and utilize icons in modern web development. At its core, Icons is not just another icon library, it's a curated collection of high-quality icons designed with precision and attention to detail. Each icon in the library is crafted to perfection, ensuring consistency, scalability, and adaptability across various platforms and devices. One of the standout features of Icons is its vast and diverse collection. Whether you're building a corporate website, a creative portfolio, or a dynamic web application, Icons offers a plethora of icons catering to different themes, industries, and use cases. From minimalist line icons to vibrant colored icons, the library boasts a range that's both versatile and comprehensive. But the magic of Icons doesn't stop at its collection. The library is designed with developers in mind, offering a seamless integration experience. With its intuitive API and extensive documentation, incorporating Icons into your project becomes a breeze. No more sifting through endless icon files or dealing with compatibility issues. With Icons, you get a plug-and-play solution that's both efficient and user-friendly. Another significant advantage of Icons is its adaptability. In today's multi-device world, ensuring that icons scale perfectly across different screen sizes is crucial. Icons addresses this challenge by offering SVG-based icons that scale without losing clarity or detail. This ensures that your icons look sharp and crisp, whether viewed on a desktop monitor, a tablet, or a smartphone. The community around Icons is vibrant and active. With regular updates, contributions from designers worldwide, and an open-source ethos, Icons is continuously evolving to meet the needs of the modern web. Whether it's adding new icons, optimizing existing ones, or introducing new features, the Icons community is always at the forefront, ensuring that the library remains cutting edge. In essence, Icons is more than just an icon library. It's a movement that champions quality, versatility, and ease of use. It's a testament to what's possible when design meets functionality and aesthetics align with usability. If you're a developer or designer looking to elevate your web projects with stunning icons that resonate with your audience, Icons is the answer. Conclusion: in today's fast-paced digital world, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. From enhancing user experience with captivating icons to streamlining web development with AI-powered coding assistance, the projects we've explored today are truly at the forefront of innovation. These tools not only simplify the development process, but also empower creators to bring their visions to life with precision and flair. As we wrap up this overview of the latest trending developer tools, it's evident that the open source community continues to thrive, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in web development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these projects offer invaluable resources to elevate your work and stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us on another episode of AutoGPT Tutorials. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. For more details on the projects featured today, check out the links in the description below. And remember, the world of web development is ever evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding.